Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this LED pixel board from the Action. I bought it in the Action, but it's possible that you can find it on other locations also. It was not that expensive, I think under 10 euros or something. It comes from China, and if you buy it in China you maybe pay 5 euros or something. So today we are going to unbox this. It has up control, so this means possibly that you can connect your smartphone, possibly via Bluetooth with it, and then you can create pictures or upload pictures to it. If you open something with a knife, keep it away from your body, not cut in your heart, or I don't know, because it can be dangerous. Always be careful. This box is very well packed. You see it. It's completely sealed. I think they use some kind of glue or something. So here you have it. And also be careful to not cut in the box, because you can damage things. I also want to tell you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe and you will get notified when you win something. You can win laptops, Bluetooth stuff, smartphones, all kind of electronics. There's a lot of things that you can win. So this is the manual. Normally I don't read this manual, but there's one problem. It has a QR code for the app. And never lose this QR code, because if you want to control this system, you need the QR code to scan it, to download the app onto your phone. It works with the App Store, I'm not sure, possibly Android and Google Play, and iPhone possibly also. We are going to check this later. This is, what is this? Declaration of conformity, and what is this? Some guarantee. Yeah, some proof for guarantee. So this is the size. You see my hand, how big it is. It's quite small for this price. If you buy in China, you can get much bigger. It also has some, how you say it, the feet onto it, and then the USB cable. I think this USB cable is only for connecting to the power, so that the system is powered on. And when it is powered on, then you can connect up to it to upload your own smileys and pictures and things that are compatible with the LED. So I hope you like this. I see you later. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos, because I also have other nice videos from Action Goods and stuff like that. So please check them also out. Bye.